How y'all doing? CJ Moto here. I got a quick preface to this video. If you go to my channel and subscribe, leave in the comments that you did indeed subscribe. In 1 week from today, I will send a full set of blades for a Mavic Air. A full set to whoever is the lucky winner. I'm gonna do a random drawing and I'll have it on my channel as well. I'll do it live. All right, thank you very much. All right, everyone, we're gonna go ahead and do a max distance range test on my DJI Mavic Air. We're gonna go ahead and update our home point just to be safe. You always wanna do that before you fly.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Home point recorded. Go ahead and take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Here we go, folks. All right, we are off. We're gonna not use the parabolic range extender on this flight until we cut out, and then I'm gonna add it in. So right now our height's coming up on 75 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and take it up to 200 feet and see how far we can get it at that altitude. We are in sport mode, which it's not going as fast as it should, so I'm gonna slip it out of sport mode and then back in. Now let's see, there we go. Now we're hauling. All right, so we're just heading out. We've got great conditions today. The winds are about 4 miles per hour at 500 feet. I checked my app for that. We just dropped our first bar, and once again, we're not using the parabolic range extender, but this will be a great video for y'all that are curious about that, because I'm gonna go as far as I can without it. And then I'm gonna turn around, or not turn around, I'm gonna add it when I need to. So we're already at 3,000 feet. We're down to 2 bars. I'm gonna take my altitude up. It's a beautiful day, just perfect. Let's take her up to 200 feet. (202 feet). We're at 4,000 feet in distance. And who knows, maybe we'll learn that the range extender doesn't work, but I really do think it does from the experience I've had with it so far. But we'll see. I'm not gonna add it until it basically cuts out on me. Then I'm gonna add it in. And it is definitely, I know from experience that range extender is definitely sensitive to direction, so you have to have it pointed in the right direction. You want to have the shiny dishes on it pointed directly at your aircraft. Basically what it's doing is it's bouncing all that signal off your antennas back into the direction of your aircraft. So in theory it's like doubling your signal. Alright, we're up to 5,000 feet in distance, and we're still trucking. I'm actually really impressed with how this thing's doing with no range extender. Some people don't think they work. Maybe they're right. We're gonna see how far we can get it to go at 200 feet. And then I'll take it up to 300 feet if I need to. We've got plenty of battery left. We're looking real good distance-wise. Weak signal. I just got a weak signal warning. Let's take it up higher, because I have noticed that the higher you go, at least to an extent, that does help you with your reception. I think between 300 and 400 feet is like a sweet spot. We're out to 6,900, coming up on 7,000 feet, folks. CJ Moto here, flying over the water out here in Louisiana. Beautiful day. The wind's picking up a little, and it is at my back, which I don't like, but it shouldn't be too heavy. we're doing really good without the range extender on there. Now I'm gonna leave it right where it's at. Oh, we got our third bar back. I'm gonna keep going without the range extender as far as I can. Just bear with me, it's gonna take me a second to install it. You just slip it over the antennas. It only takes a few seconds. Wow, we made it all the way out to 8,000 feet with just stock remote and a fully charged battery. I mean, for all I know, maybe it works better without the dang range extender. We'll see. We still got 3 bars. We're in and out. Let's take it up to 350 in altitude. We've got plenty of battery. All right, there we go. We're at 395. 395. We're at 395 feet. Wow, we're out almost to 10,000. We're doing good. No range extender yet. Let's bring it down to about 380. Look around, we're doing good. Keep on trucking, no range extender yet. We're heading directly away from us. There we go, 10,000 feet. We've got 10% battery left, folks. And we're still getting 3 bars. No range extender at all, just stock remote. Wide open field. There are some trees out there, but I'm far away from them. I'm not going as fast as I possibly can right now, but I'm moving along quite nicely. We're at 380 foot altitude. We're coming up on 11,000 feet. Stock everything.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
We're at 11,000 feet. Now you see we're at 2 bars right now. I'm gonna go ahead and add the parabolic range extender here. I'm gonna add it real quick. Range extender installed, and there you saw we got a bar right there. See that? Well, we did for a split second. I don't know. There, we got our bar, 1 bar back. We're still doing good latency wise. So yeah, it looked like it did maybe help a little, definitely. Now let me take it off and see what happens. Range extender is removed. We're getting choppy signal when I'm moving, when I'm panning. So let me install it again. Instantly better, for sure, like without a doubt. It's instantly better. Just gives you that extra little bit of insurance. We're at 12,000 feet, folks. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it on back at 12,500. 12,500 feet. All right, I'm gonna bring it on back. And we're gonna have to haul it back because we're at 47% battery. That's not good in theory. So let's head on back. Whew, 12,500. I would not want to take it any farther than that. We're gonna try to make it back here, folks. We have got a haul butt. We're doing 39 miles an hour on our way back, full power. I'm just gonna try to get it back as fast as I can right now because we're at 40, coming down to 40% battery. I think we'll make it. Luckily the wind just died down, so there's basically no wind right now. And we're trucking it. Full speed ahead. We made it very far. The parabolic range extender definitely did help. I wouldn't say, I think it's like a 20% increase if I had to say. And I'm sure it depends on where you're using it too. Ooh, it looks like we had some birds flying right over us right there. We have got to get some serious, we've got to get back quick now. I'm gonna drop my power usage down a little. I'm gonna try to go about 30 miles an hour right now. Between 20 and 30. Try to conserve some battery. When you're coming back in sport mode, you don't necessarily want to be full throttle. So right there you can see on our power meter, we're using about 50%. But you got to remember, look, even when you're hovering, you're still using 50% just to hover. So here we go. Here's our warning. Make it back now. We're at 29% battery. Now we're gonna have to listen to this thing scream at us. Get this thing back. 27%. I'm just gonna go full out now. I don't have time to try to conserve anything. 26% battery, folks. We're gonna take this down to the bitter end. Oh man. Woo! %22 battery. See right there, we're at 80% power, 90% power. Drop it down just a little. Let's get it to about 60%. So we're using 60% power, going about 33, 32, 33 miles an hour. Now we're getting back close. We're gonna make it. Woo, we're gonna make it. That was a long flight, folks. Very nice, very nice. Perfect, we're gonna make it. 16% battery. I'm gonna start bringing our altitude back down. Altitude all the way down. We're 14% battery. Coming in hot. I'm gonna stop dropping the altitude. There I am. We made it back 11%. Let's catch this sucker. Got some birds up here. You want to see them?
Critically low battery.
Oh, never mind. No time for that. Aircraft landing. Critically low battery. Hope y'all enjoyed that flight. We made it over, I believe, 12,000 feet. So that was an awesome flight. Thanks for watching. Parabolic range extender does seem to work. I would say it gives you about a 20% increase. And once you get out there, it's not that you necessarily get farther, but when you're there, you have a better experience. You have a better, you have less latency issues, meaning when you move your sticks, you have faster responses and you can see things that you need to see quicker. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. I enjoy making these videos for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to these videos, and I'll keep them coming. DJ Moto out.
Woo!
Thing's a beast, folks. Y'all have an awesome Sunday.